US crude earlier in the day dropped towards 88.2, 88.3 levels and have since then bounced back here. Now trading close to 89.1 levels. Now what to expect from crude oil? At the same time, net gas, yes, it is trading close to 2.85, 2.83 zone, which is a great support zone here for net gas. So what to expect? Which position you should take in order to profit trading crude oil and net gas now with the US session? We will see with the help of charts. And do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis. This is the second update for the day for crude and net gas. Yes, do watch till the end. First, we look into oil, followed with net gas. And yes, you should. You can also press the like button. Do comment. Do share, subscribe, which is definitely a great inspiration, motivation for me to deliver on time every time to the best of my abilities. Now, look at the hourly charts for. See, after falling sharply towards 88.2, 88.3 levels, now crude is trying to reverse. You can see it is trying to trade in this channel. $90 levels is the next milestone which it can try to attempt and achieve. Staying beyond 90.2, 89.2, we can look forward to see there are three critical levels here: 89.2, 89.4. This is the greatest resistance zone, that is 89.4, 89.6. If it stays beyond this, you can expect at least $90 levels should get achieved here. Right now, it is aspiring to achieve those. If you look at the hourly chart, it is trying to break out first green candle. There could be second green candle which may take it till towards 89.6 levels. Stochastic is rising. MACD has converged, crossed over here, trying to trade with divergence. First green candle, we may see couple or more greener candles here. RSI is also rising, indicating slight bullishness. Coming to 2 hour. Likewise on the 2-hour charts, after consolidating here, you can see this is a reversal candle here. I will wait for 89.2 levels to be breached and then 89.4, 89.6. See, the 20 and 50 period moving average are also sitting at the same levels, and these are trading with divergence. These are slightly bearish indication, and this is also going to be an achievable level. At the same time, a great resistance level here for oil. Achieving those levels, possibly we may see a reversal as well. That is also you should note. Stochastic rising from the oversold levels. MACD is trading with extreme bearishness. It can possibly converge crossover for a buying entry. RSI is rising here. Coming to 3-hour chart, this is a similar indication here. It is trying to reverse retrace. Possibly we may see it hitting 89.5, 89.6 levels. Also, if you look at how it is trying to perform, see these lows here. And if you draw a parallel, you will find this is the channel in which it is trying to trade. 90.2 is the top of this channel, and it has a potential to achieve those levels as well. Right now, if it stays above 89.2, we can possibly expect 89.4, 89.6 levels as the first resistance zone, and then in fact we may see oil staying above $90 levels as well. See, double bottom on MACD, it is trying to rise. Stochastic, it is trying to rise from here. Good indication for the bulls. At the same time, look at MACD. This was trading with extreme divergence. Possibly this should converge crossover. RSI is rising. Coming to 4-hour. Likewise on the 4-hour charts, reversal indication, first green candle, and there could be a follow-up green candle as well, taking it till towards 89.5, 89.6, and then $90 levels. Yes, I am looking forward to a slight rise. As long as it stays above 88.6 levels, I will not be treating oil as bearish for now. For today, and now 88.6 has become the base, only below which you can initiate a sell entry. Stochastic rising from the oversold levels. MACD is trading with extreme divergence and bearishness. RSI is also almost comfortable. Coming to the daily. Now look at daily charts. What has happened? Lower lows are done. Now lower highs, so possibility of it to achieve $90 levels again exist, and hence that is why I say yes, if you see it staying beyond 89.2, you can initiate a buying entry. But remember, since this is a retracement, trade, you should trade strictly with the stop loss at your entry price, because any reversal will eat away your profits here. So yes, you can buy here at 89.2. Be careful of 89.4, 89.6 zone, and then you can look forward to 90.2 as the maximum resistance zone. On the downside, you can sell it here at 88.6 levels. As long as 88.6 is respected, do not try to sell oil here. Below 88.6, further bearishness may take it till towards 88 and 87.5, which is a major support here. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at net gas. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 26th batch is going to start on first week of October. Only limited seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's have a look at net gas. Now see, gas on the hourly charts have seen a sharp slump after consolidating here. In the morning update, I have told you, beyond 2.92 is where we can expect bullishness. It is precisely reversed from the same levels here and has now come to its stronger support at 2.83. 2.83 is a great support. Stochastic is oversold. MACD crossing over for a sell here again. But remember, this is already sitting at bottom and it is very, very low levels. RSI looking downwards, trying to stay bearish, coming to on the 2 hour charts after consolidation and retracement. This is the second red candle. It's staying outside Bollinger Bands. I will definitely watch out for how it behaves at around 2.83, which is a great support here. Below 2.83, certainly 2.8, 2.76 levels will be seen. Now remember, only bearishness is gas. In gas is if it stays below 2.76. Stochastic is dropping here. MACD is trading with divergence, is trading with bearishness. RSI is looking downwards. Coming to 3 hour, similar observation on the 3 hour charts as well. Drop, consolidation, drop, retracement, and drop here. Yes, it is trying to create the step. If you look at this step here, the downside of this channel is at around 2.8, which is a great support. So 2.76, 2.8, be watchful, careful here. Stochastic looking downwards, trying to indicate slight bearishness. If you look at MACD is divergent, MACD is bearish, RSI is looking downwards, suggestive of bearishness. Coming to 4 hour charts, similar observation, nothing different. I'm not going to repeat here. Also, if you look at higher lows are so far seen in gas here. Thus, you should be cautious, watchful, alert as long as 2.8, 2.76 is respected. Here for NG, do not treat this as bearish. Stochastic looking downwards, trying to indicate slight bearishness. MACD is crossing over, trading over with divergence, trading bearish here. RSI is also looking downwards, trying to indicate slight bearishness. Coming to the daily charts. Now look at the daily charts here. We have discussed several times that the prices, whenever it tries to diverge from the 20 period moving average, we can always see a convergence here. That is what has happened precedingly, and now again the same pattern is getting repeated. At the same time, one must not forget that it is yielding higher lows. So yes, this zone is critical here. 20 period sitting at around 2.8 and 50 period at around 2.7576. This zone is very, very critical for gas to breach pass by. If it stays below these levels, certainly the bearish momentum may prevail. I will recommend you to sell at 2.83. If it stays below 2.83, 2.8 is what you can aspire, and then below that 2.76. 2.76 is the greatest support. At the same time, on the upside, if you see it is staying beyond 2.88, you can buy here at 2.88, but then 2.9, 2.92 are two major resistances, and then we can look forward to 2.95, $3 levels. It can completely reverse if it stays above $3 levels. There is no looking back. We are looking at 3.1 as well. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading ahead. See you tomorrow again with the Asia and Europe session updates for oil and gas. Do watch that video as well. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day.